现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hey, what's up? It's time for more Hakka music here on Icrt. My name is Joseph Lin, and this artist is Liu Daowen, who is fond of classical music since he was young. He knows how to play the piano, the French horn, the guitar, and even got himself into the Berklee College of Music in 2012. Now, this song you're hearing is called Young Master, and it's reflective of a common way of thinking in Taiwan that the only worth thing doing is studying, and parents focus on a kid's grades. Well, he was raised in these conditions, and so he wants to share them with you. Right here, this is Young Master.出生于高雄，还有在屏东长大的刘道文啊，从小呢就对音乐很有天分，精通钢琴、法国号还有吉他。听的这首歌呢叫做《大少爷》。这首歌呢是刘道文的《大少爷》哦，但并不是在唱出说他想要当大少爷，而是呢从小呢我们大家普遍会面临的一个问题哦，就是好像父母呢只会知道孩子们的成绩有多少啊，念得多好啊，也就造就了学子们呢只懂得念书，却不懂得如何生活。而从小就是被这样的教育环境所压迫的刘道文呢，就深有同感而作曲分享给大家。So there you have it, another great song here on our Hakka music segment on ICRT.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.